What's up, everybody? We're out here. We're gonna see how durable this thing is. It's gonna be the first real ride. There's a lot of open field to really get it up to speed. And then all in those woods, there's ditches and trails and all kinds of things we can test this thing out on. So we'll get some good footage of that for y'all. Nothing really changed about this with the setup you saw in the other video. Got a light going. I'm just waiting on the coils for the motor, and we'll have a light on it. Let's get riding. Let's get this thing unloaded. Adjusted the idle. I think it's time to rip now, dude. You guys can come for a ride with me real quick. Probably can't make it through that big old ditch right there. Let's go this way. See if we can make it through over here. Woohoo! Oh, this is gonna be wild. Here we go. Made it. Oh, broke the handlebars. Got a little loose there, huh? Woohoo! One day. get back up this. Hell yeah. Let's do a damage report. Chain's still tight, means nothing's moved. We're killing it, bro. See how tore up our belt is later. Seems like it's got plenty of power still. These handlebars should be tighter. Different ride. This thing even fell over a minute ago, now it still runs fine. Alright, this is the moment of truth. I haven't even taken this off yet. My chain's a little bit looser. I think my motor might have just slid back a little bit. Holy crap, nothing's wrong with the belt. Look at that. That's why I get Bravex. Look how much crap's up in there. Held up well. Held up very well. Look at all that crap in there. Nice. Just gotta keep, I gotta figure out why this keeps getting loose. I don't think the chain's stretched, but it could have. I think either this moved forward a little, which actually looks like what happened. I think this moved forward a little and this moved backward slightly. But other than that, I have a keeper on this side, a tensioner. I don't have one on the other side, so I'll make one real quick. But for a torture test, that thing did pretty dang good. Alright, there you have it, everybody. Our spare parts build is a beast. GX160 works great. I've dubbed this the Warrior 160 instead of a Warrior 200. Our pipe held up, everything held up. The only thing is we have a little slack in our chain. We'll figure that out. Still runs though. I could go keep ripping it. Alright, well, wasn't going to do this today, but I'm winterizing all these. So, I guess you guys get to see me ride a three-wheeler too. make it through this shit? Let's try it. Oh, it's deep. Hell yeah, we made it. Oh, brought a piece of wood with us. Oh yeah. Get some. Something's not very happy with what we just did. We just got her a little smoky. Alright, let's go put this in the back where we can clean it and ride that guy. This fucking dog. Go on. Going. Dog's fucking crazy. Fuck off. Alright, we'll leave it here to clean it later. This thing took forever to start. Alright, let's go get that other part.